Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to install Claude code inside your Windows machine. For this you should have Node.js already installed, and this command that they give you, if you directly go to the Windows terminal and try to execute this command, you will get this error message that Claude code can't be installed on Windows. So Claude code is not supported on Windows. So directly you cannot install Claude code directly on Windows. So there is a workaround here. You need to make sure that you install other operating system on Windows. For this you just need to turn on this feature here, which is WSL, Windows subset for Linux. So just go to Windows features and just make sure that you enable this feature, which is Windows subset for Linux. This is a feature here. Make sure that this feature is ticked and just restart your computer. And after that, now you can download Ubuntu or Linux system inside your Windows machine. So now it will do this thing. I have already installed WSL. So after installing it, you can run this as administrator. So now you will get this shell here. So after that, just installs any Ubuntu or Linux version, and after that you need to install Node.js. For installing Node.js, first of all, just make sure that you execute this command if you're running it from a Linux machine, uname -a. So just execute this command to cross check that you are running it from a Linux machine. So you can see now we have installed Linux, so we are running it from here, and just install Node.js. So the command is very simple. You simply say sudo apt install Node.js. So let me just I think here you need to uh, you can set your default password. So in this easy way, you can fix this error message. So just enter your password and install Node.js, and after that you can install Claude code inside your Windows machine. Just make sure that you enable that feature, which is tick mark that option Windows subset for Linux, and just install Linux machine and then execute this command sudo apt install node.js, and after that you can execute this command, which is npm install -g anthropic AI Claude code.